Namaste and welcome to my Jigyasa Vidyavihar Jollyphonic class. I am Mrs. Priyanka Naik, teacher of Jollyphonics. My dear parents or my dear friends, do you know there are quarter of students are facing the problems of reading and writing English. But we need to identify and make a solution about that. Okay, now you may thinking about how we can overcome these problems. So let's see. As we seen, any human being having a three dimensions: name, shape and sounds. And in our day-to-day life activities, which dimension we use mostly? Obviously sounds. Similarly, in any language, Hindi, English or Marathi, there are alphabets, and these alphabets having a three dimensions: name, shape and sounds. Do you remember how we learn these alphabets? This is the method that is called alphabetical method. A for apple, B for bat and C for cat. Nowadays also in lot of schools this alphabetical method is used to teach English or any language. So I am coming up with a systematic way of learning English. So your small kids also learn to read and write English without any fear and fluently. This system is known as a Jollyphonics, and basically this program is innovated in England, and now this applied not only in the India but also in overall the worlds. This system is known as a comprehensive programs. This is the multisensory activities, fun way activities programs. Let's see in short about the phonics. I know you know about the phonics. Then also phonics is a way of teaching children to read and write English. In this method, we teach this letter by their sound. You can see here, there are 7 groups. Do you know how many sounds are in English? There are 42 sounds. We say this is the right building block of a children's, and with the help of this right tool, they can decode the English language. In the Jollyphonics, there are 5 basic skills. First, learning the letter sound, then learning the letter formation, blending, and identify sounds in words and tricky words. Letter sounds. In the letter sounds, we use multisensory activities like stories. We tell them stories, actions, music, lot of activities. Letter formation. In the letter formation, we first tell them how to hold the pencils like tripod movement, tripod grip or froggy legs movements. For practice writing, we take the air writing, trace writing, dot trace writing, rainbow writing, likewise. Blending skills. In the blending skills, suppose we take the example of sun. They need to identify the letter sounds. S, A, M, S, B, I, boy. The sand. This is the blending skill, and this skill is necessary, or we can say important, to reading. Then tricky words. In the phonics, there are some tricky words. Please don't fear about the tricky words, because we teach these tricky words with the help of different techniques. So our small children can learn without any fear. Now you're thinking, who can learn these programs? Anyone can learn these programs, but according to children's 3.5 years old students to 9 years olds, they can learn these programs, or we can say phonics. Jollyphonics has a different level. We need to finish first level, then you are eligible for the second level. So my dear friends, don't you think this is a very good and systematic way of learning? So before concluding, I would like to say one thing here is that Jollyphonics is the strong and easier way of learning English. Lastly, if you have any problem or doubt, or you need to know more about the Jollyphonics, you can call me this number. And please join us as soon as possible.